Hey guys! Welcome back to another exciting review. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're talking about the game-changing wired connection Carlinkit for wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto dongle mirror adapter. This little device is a total game-changer for anyone who loves the convenience of wireless connectivity in their vehicle. Now, let's get into why you need this in your life. First of all, the seamless compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto means that no matter what device you're using, this adapter has you covered. That means no more dealing with messy cables or limited compatibility. This adapter works with almost any car and any smartphone. Not only that, but the speed and reliability of the wired connection mean that you won't have to deal with annoying lags or connection issues. Whether you're streaming music, using navigation, or taking calls, this adapter ensures that your experience is smooth and uninterrupted. And let's not forget about the easy installation. With a simple plug-and-play setup, you'll be up and running in no time. Plus, the compact size means that it won't clutter up your dashboard or console. So, if you're ready to take your driving experience to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the wired connection Carlinkit for wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto dongle mirror adapter today. Trust me, once you experience the freedom of wireless connectivity in your car, you'll never look back. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.